In this short video, I'll be going over how you can import your 3D assets and CAD into the ProtoTwin application. The first thing you need to do is click the Import button in the toolbar on the left side. You can now click the Upload Model button, which will open a file dialog where you can upload your GLTF or GLB file. When you're done, just click the Import button to confirm. After it finishes processing, you should then see your 3D model in our application. To import CAD, you will first need to export your CAD file to the GLTF format, and then import it the same way as before. In regards to the additional options, it is possible to do mesh simplification pre-importing, and to recenter the transform origins of the entities using one of these different recentering methods. You can also select the units, which by default, ProtoTwin uses meters, but you can change the units if you've exported the file from the CAD software with different units. Then after clicking Import, you should see the imported CAD file inside our application. You can also directly import your Onshape files into ProtoTwin. You first need to create an account by signing in with Onshape on our main website. Once you've done that, you can swap to the Onshape tab in the importer, and then find the project you want to import. Once you've found the project, you can select it. Then either click the View button to open your project in Onshape, or import either the Part Studio, one of your subassemblies, or the main assembly. After that, just click the Import button again, and that's it. We also support CAD synchronization, meaning if you have a ProtoTwin model where you've added components to parts, but have since made changes to the CAD in Onshape, then a sync button will display in the Onshape importer that will allow you to merge the Onshape changes without having to recreate your ProtoTwin model. A helpful tip I thought I should mention is that it is possible to select subassemblies of parts from exported CAD or from Onshape by hovering over a selected part and using Control right-click. You can then select one of the entities up the hierarchy like the bottle, or the cart, or the entire main assembly. Finally, you can also import ProtoTwin models, or PTM files, into other ProtoTwin models. In this example, I import one of our other models for the case erector into the top-load case packaging machine model. This makes it possible to work on different parts of a big model separately, and then merge each of your individual models into a single model when you've got all the separate parts working correctly. This divide and conquer type of approach is a very powerful one. You won't clutter all of your scripts and components in one huge model. You just need to merge each of your working parts at the very end. And that's it with regards to importing. Thanks for watching.